Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming clip type. That changes how you remove it. Clean hands and tools, then sit upright so you can see inside your mouth clearly. Gently use a mirror and a blunt dental pick to locate the clip edges. You want leverage points, not force. Once you feel the clip's free edge, ease it toward the crown with short movements. If it resists, stop and reassess to avoid soft tissue damage. You proceed with controlled extraction. Place a small cotton roll behind the clip and apply steady, short pulls toward the biting surface. Avoid twisting hard. If the clip is metal, target its hinge or bend point. If plastic, widen the opening slowly with parallel pressure. Make sure you can see the clip's path. Once it begins to move, keep the same angle to prevent scraping. If it starts to deform, stop immediately and change approach or seek help. You finish by gently removing any small fragments and rinsing with saline. Then inspect the tooth surface and clip for bends or missing parts. Floss between adjacent teeth to remove trapped debris and prevent infection, and apply light pressure with gauze if there's minor bleeding. If you notice sharp edges on the clip or intense pain, do not force further. Apply a cold compress and contact your dentist. One troubleshooting tip: if removal
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.